Saturday afternoon. For Perry, Jackson, and Benton counties. What? Dangerously cold wind chills with wind gusts up to 40 miles an hour possible. Wind chills as low as 25 below zero. Impacts. The cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 20 minutes. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. Additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/RLX as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Wind chill watch in effect from late Thursday night through Saturday afternoon.